6:17 on this Thursday morning. We have clear skies out there. You can see the view from Education First Federal Credit Union, which is right there north of town at 105 in East Tex, part of our Roofie 911 Live Skycam network. And still pretty quiet on the roadways this morning. Still fairly early, just after 6 o'clock. We're looking at temperatures right now anywhere from the middle to lower 70s. 74 in Woodville, 73 through Silsbee and Kirbyville. Jasper's dropped down back to about 72. Middle 70s here around the Triangle, 77 in Orange, and then we're looking at 75 Port Arthur. And right here in Beaumont, we're looking at 75 degrees. Pretty quiet on the weather map for this morning. Not much activity across the state. Some cloud cover, but not much in the way of rain. Really not expecting a whole lot today, but we are maybe going to see a couple isolated showers pop up mid to late afternoon into the early evening, and they could bring us maybe a quick shot of some heavy rain, a couple of heavy downpours, but the coverage won't be very high today, only about 20%. High pressure off towards our north and east. That's going to give us kind of an upper flow from the east, and that's what's going to provide maybe a few showers coming in from east to west, so kind of a backwards weather pattern for today. Usually we typically see everything flow from west to east. Today, at least as far as the showers are concerned, they could be coming in from the east going towards the west. We'll be right around 90 at lunchtime, and then we'll get into the afternoon. You can see some of those showers possibly through the afternoon. 20, maybe 30% coverage, but they kind of slide off towards the west. And then we'll see maybe even a few linger into about 6 o'clock where temperatures still around 90. Once we lose those 90s, we'll lose most of those showers. And through the evening hours, I think it should be fairly dry. And then overnight, we'll see temperatures falling back down into the 70s as we start off your Friday morning. Out there in the tropics, only that one area we've been watching, and chances of it developing are going down, only 20% over the next 5 days. You can see now it's moved into Central America, so it's over land. Low chance of rain developing if anything's over land. As it continues to move off towards the north and eventually off towards the east, it should stay away from southeast Texas. We won't have to worry about that. Partly cloudy, isolated showers in the forecast for today. South winds at 5 to 10, about a 20% coverage of rain. If you're not getting the rain, you're definitely going to be hot, 96 to maybe 98 in some spots across the area. Warm and humid tonight, middle to lower 70s in the lakes, and then middle to upper 70s here in the Triangle. And then we'll do the same thing again on Friday, and then again on Saturday and Sunday. Each day we'll start off in the middle 70s. Each afternoon we'll top out in the middle 90s. And we'll see about a 20% chance of a couple of showers pop up during the afternoon. Like I said, some of these showers, maybe even a few isolated thunderstorms, could be a little bit on the heavy side as far as a quick downpour, picking up a 1/10 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. And then as we get into next week, we kind of take the showers back out of the forecast. Hot and dry, humid, going into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Still start off in the middle 70s, but we'll end up a little bit hotter, maybe up closer to 90 by Tuesday afternoon.
All right, a little chance of rain.
Come on here. Keep everything crossed until you get something at your house.
You crush your eyes.
I mean, 98. Let's see, on Tuesday. I mean, heat is on. Heat is on, and that's not even the heat index, too. Heat index is going to be well above the hundreds.
Our records for this time of year are well into the 100s, like
yeah.
102 to 105, 106. So we're staying away from those, but we're just a little bit above normal. Our normal high about 91, so we're getting up there a little ways. So,
and we just need some rain, water our lawns for sure. All right, thanks, Jeff.